Are you a childcare manager struggling to communicate with parents? Are contact details out of date? Are parents not getting the message? Have you hassle collecting childcare payments and organising activities? GDPR data concerns and also big child safety worries? Komeer has the answer. Komeer provides an easy-to-use and secure platform that makes it a cinch to communicate with parents, send child safety alerts, organise activities and collect childcare payments. Komeer also provides some really clever GDPR management and data health checks to make sure that you and your childcare records are up to date and fully compliant. With Komeer, you can save up to 85% on your communication costs. Collect payments securely by card or by direct debit and avoid the risk of GDPR nightmares. To find out more and sign up for a free trial, please visit www.komeer.com.